Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to change candlestick colors on TradingView mobile, a full theme and candle setup. So firstly to change the color theme means candlestick color, you can simple open the setting by simple pressing the setting icon in your bottom right corner. Here scroll down, click on more settings and now here simple press the back button. Now you will see here the settings will be open. Now to change the candlestick color, you can simple tap on symbols and now here you will see your all candlestick colors. Now to change it, you can simple tap on it, select the color which one you want. Okay, do it like this and press OK. And now here you will see my candlestick colors will be changed. You can same as do for other sticks like background, border and wiki. Okay, goodbye.